What is going on, guys? Welcome to your 81st Java tutorial, and we are finally going to learn how to read stuff from a file. So, as you can already see, I created this Chinese.txt file, and I added 3 more records to it. So the first one is Bucky, the second one is the ID number, and then a name, ID number, name, ID number, name. So it has 4 records, and a record is pretty much a row of data. So now let's go ahead and figure out. Alright, we learned how to open the file, we learned how to write this stuff on this file, but we don't know how to access it from a Java program. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. And the thing I didn't tell you is before we use scanner, that scanner object, to read from our keyboard using system_in, but we can actually use scanner to read from a file as well. So let's go ahead and first make a private scanner variable. So I'm going to name mine scanner X, and I'm going to move that cursor out of the way. And now let's go ahead and just make a method to open the file first. So public void open file, and let's go ahead and put try to open the file. So we're going to set X, and again here's where we're going to put new scanner. And instead of putting system_in here, which would be the keyboard, just put new file and put that Chinese.txt. Did I spell it right? Yep. And now instead of reading from your keyboard, it's actually going to read from this Chinese.txt file right here. So that's a neat little trick that you can do. And if we get any errors, let's just go ahead and catch those errors. Exceptions E. And now what do we want to do? Let's go ahead and write system out print line, and let's go ahead and print something like could not find file. Looks good enough. So now we have a method to open the file. Easy enough. So what method do we need after this? Well, this tutorial is all about reading files, so let's go ahead and make a method to read the data from that file. So public void, just name it like read file or something like that. And what we want to do whooping cough. The first thing we want to do is create a while loop, and it goes something like this: while, put your file name, which is X, and then we want to put has next. And what this is going to do, it's a built-in method. It's going to make a while loop, and it's going to keep going until it reaches the end of the file. So it's gonna loop through this, and has next pretty much means if you hover over it, another input. So as long as there's something there, it's gonna continue. As soon as there's nothing there and it reaches the end of the file,